How's it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon Performance and welcome back to another C8 Corvette new products. It's the month of June and we've got a whole bunch of new stuff, chrome wheels even, just for you. Let's get into it. First up this month from us, like usual, is a pre-order for some grill guards for the Grand Sport and Grand Sport X. So if you maybe are like us and have one of these cars coming to you soon and you want to keep it safe and protected, why not get some grill guards on it? We already have them already developed. We're always one step ahead. Like everything, it's going to be high quality OEM fit and finish with those bolts there, no zip ties. So if from day one you want to get your brand new Grand Sport or Grand Sport X protected, hop on over to the website, get on this pre-order and get yourself a set of grill guards. Next up from Auto Addict is their ZR1 ZTK Gurney flap. This is a carbon fiber Gurney flap. It's just like the ones that come on the ZTK equipped cars. So if maybe you didn't get a ZTK equipped ZR1, ZR1X, but you like that little riser there on the front of your functional hood, Auto Addicts has you covered with this Gurney flap. So if you like it, it's on the website, you know where to find it. Next up from us here at Paragon, if you have a Z06 or Eray and you've been wanting a Z07 style wing for your car, you're in luck. We've got you covered with our Paragon Performance Z07 style wing for the wide body cars. So these are gonna have proper fitment for the rear bumper of the wide body Z06 or E-Rays. So nice, just like the OEM one, without of course that OEM price tag. These are available in both carbon fiber and carbon flash finishes, and chances are if you're installing this, you're probably gonna be taking off a wing, leaving you some existing holes. No worries there, we do include a block off plate in your choice of carbon flash or carbon fiber to cover up all those holes. And of course, with the Z07 wing, just like OEM, we do include some brackets behind the bumper to help you mount it to the tub there, to the chassis of the car. So pretty cool little wing setup if you've been looking for an OEM like Z07 wing without the OEM price tag. The Paragon Performance Z07 wing for the Z06 and E-Ray wide body cars might be what you're looking for. Next up from us here at Paragon is a pretty exciting one in my opinion. It is RGB DRLs. In the past, we've had the modules that'll change your DRLs to just one solid color, but now with these, you can do full RGB range, so any color you want under the sun for your DRL color. Pretty cool in my opinion. It's pretty easy install, to be honest. You just replace the little headlight module there behind the light itself. Simple plug and play. It is app controlled, so super easy interface to figure out. They've got designs in there you can play with and do stuff. And of course, the coolest is you can pick and choose any color you feel like on a day-to-day basis on your C8 Corvette. So these are made on the US spec cars, so we don't think they will work with the European ones and different country cars. So, but if you have a Corvette in the US, you're in luck. We've got some RGB DRLs that we know for a fact will work on your car. So if you want some RGB DRLs, stand out at the car show at night and during the day, these RGB DRL lights from us here at Paragon are exactly what you need. Next up from our friends at ForgedLite, we have some very exciting wheels. We have three designs, the MC5s, the MC3s, and the MC21 designs. All three sets are in chrome, and exactly we have one set of each, and that is going to be it. It was extremely hard to get the chrome process for these wheels done, so it's going to be a limited run, one set each. So three sets in total sitting right now in the warehouse. So by the time you're watching this, if you want a chrome set of ForgedLites, a truly one of one set, head on over to the website and get these before they're gone. But if chrome wheels aren't quite your style, no worries, we have you covered with the ForgedLite MC5s in a brushed aluminum finish. So still gives you that kind of brighter style wheel without the mirrored polish finish of like a chrome wheel. So maybe if that's more your style, we've got a set in stock ready to ship out to you, as well as the chrome wheels we just talked about from ForgedLite. So if you're looking for a great set of wheels for your wide body car, E-Ray or Z06, ForgedLite and us here at Paragon have you covered. Next up, from Solar, we have their 92mm billet throttle bodies. These are for the Z06, so they come as a pair. They are a simple drop-in replacement for those throttle bodies. They're a little bigger bore there, so allow more air in. They work really well, especially with any sort of intake you have, whether it be Venturi, Corsa, whatnot. They'll pick you up some extra power and help add on to that airflow. And of course, the coolest is you don't need to tune. Simply drop them in, install them, fairly easy, and you're rocking and rolling with some extra power back there thanks to those throttle bodies. So if you want 92mm Solar throttle bodies, we've got you covered here at Paragon Performance. On the website, give them a check. Last two products we've got for you this month come to us from General Motors. They are OEM grill bezel replacements for the front and the rear of the car. So if you have those color matched ones, or you maybe damaged one of them and you want a replacement in carbon flash, we have those sets available now. So if you're looking to swap out, add some contrast to the front or rear of your Eray or Z06, or I guess technically even ZR1s and ZR1Xs, we have these OEM General Motors front and rear grill bezel replacements for you. We've got them on the website. And that is going to do it for us here in the month of June 2026. Man, the year is flying by, but we are certainly enjoying it. Lots of track days, lots of events coming up. So of course, we'll keep bringing you guys awesome content. Our Grand Sport should be here any day now, so that is very exciting. So be on the lookout for content with that. But we are just having great time here. Things are in full swing here at Paragon Performance. So thank you guys again for joining us for this C8 Corvette new products 2026, June, I believe. Like usual, thank you guys so much for joining us for another C8 Corvette new products, June 2026. We certainly appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed and hope you found some new products that you might treat yourself to. We'll keep them coming as long as you guys keep joining us and watching these videos and enjoying them. So hopefully if you did enjoy, you'll let us know by leaving a like down below, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next month. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll catch you in the next video.